What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, Baby Electricals. Today I'll be helping you replace your faulty switches. Then the another time I'll help you replace your faulty fan regulators. So let's talk of the switch. So this is a one gang switch. It has a control switch, so there will be you can turn the light on with another switch, and then this one as well. So yeah, let's dive into the video real quick. So still I don't have a damaged switch, but then I'll be using this one for the same old one or the damaged one or the faulty one, and then I'll still be using it as a new one. So please don't get me wrong. So let's go. Yeah. So as usual, I always have my tools. You should always have your tools: flat screwdriver, your plier, and then also a star screwdriver, a tester for the work. So let's go. So this is the case. If you can see it very well, this is just the case that puts it on and off. This is a real thing over here. This is the main thing that controls. You can see the reflection in the background. So let's go ahead. This is a star screw. First one down, second one screw. All the screws are here. You can see them. So this is how it looks like. So this is a one gang two-way switch. Yeah, one gang two-way. And then you might be wondering, what are these blue cables for? So let's go straight to the point. One of this cable is the source, that's the power from the main switch, and then this one is just a loop from this place to the fan. So you can see it's going through here to the fan, for the fan also takes to wherever it goes to. So yeah, and then this one of these is for one of this is for the control switch. So you can see L2 over here. L2 is for the control switch, and then L1 is mainly for the main switch. This is the main one that controls the bulb. This one is just control switch, so it goes from here to another switch that can also put on the lights. So maybe you can see the reflection in the background. Yeah, so it goes off, it comes on. Let me go and put it off at the other side and see how it works. If you can tell, the background has gone a bit dim, so I'll put it on and you see how it comes back on. So basically that's how it works. So let me just put it off. Or you can even check. See, my tester is off. but when I put it on, let me just make some example for you to understand. So this is the control. You can see the switch, the tester is on. When I take my hand off, it goes off. When I put my hand on it, it comes on. That's how it should work. That's the control. So this what powers the other switch. So this is the main one. You can tell it's off until I put it on. That's when it comes on. If I put it off, it goes off. So the control will be on. If I put the switch on, the control goes off. If I put it off, the control switch comes on. That's how it works. So let's pay attention and then do the work well. So yeah, so basically let's put this one off, assuming we are working with the main power. So you take off, you can see there's power in it over here. You can see it is on. So if you are taking off the old switch, we need to take this one off. Please make sure you know the arrangement of the cables, because if you mix them, it will be something else. So this is L1. I don't know if you can see it well on the camera. It's written L1 over here. L means live. That's the main power. So this is one. So L1. Some of the switches, you'd be lucky they will put the technical terms on it. So one is open to L1, close to L2. That means when you put on the switch, it is going to power the L1 automatically. That's where it is to power. Closed to L2. This is L2. That's the one that goes from that's the one that goes to the other switch. That's the control. That's L2. So close to L2, that means when there is power in L1, there wouldn't be power in L2. And there is no power in L1, there's power in L2. That's how it works. So mostly we used to indicate them so that let's say when somebody comes, he will know that this is the main switch wire. So you have to indicate it. Sometimes we use the plier, just mark the tip of it. There's a little, if you can see. So this mark over here indicates, sometimes it indicates power, but for now I'm just showing you how to change it. So it's not being confusing, that's why I've changed I marked it over here for you. So sometimes it will be different colors, but then you should know the L1 is always the one that puts on the light from the specific switch you are working with. So this is it. Then we go to the L2. So we won't mark the L2 so that it will be like, you know, the cable we are working with. So assuming this is a faulty meter, assuming this is a faulty switch, it has gone off. Now we can bring in the new one. So assuming this is the new switch, this is how it is. This is how it will be. It should be one gang, two-way. One gang, two-way. So the two-way basically stands for the one that has the main power, that's the L or the 1, and then the L1. The L1 is the one that switches on the light. That's if you are putting your switch cable, your switch wire in the L, that will be your 1, and then the L2, that will be your control switch connection. So that is it. So now let's get back to our connection over here. So since we've indicated this one, we know that it is L1, so you just put it in and then you screw it. As simple as that. As you can see, L1 is done. Then we take L2, put it in, and then screw it also. Simple as that. Now the main power. So just put in the main power. I think we just put it on, so we have to put it off back. So this is it, and you screw it. And this is it. Then let's screw it. See it very well, everything is intact. This is 1, that's the L, and then this is L1 and L2 down here. So now let's put it back into its original place. So take this as the new switch that you are working with. So we just put it back like that. Then we take our screwdriver and the screws we removed from the switch. This is the screwdriver. It could be star, it could be flat. This is star, so use the star screwdriver and fix it inside. The other one too. Please make sure it fits to the hole before you screw it. Sometimes it's very difficult, but entering the hole for some time, it becomes very easy. And you are good to go. Now let's fix the cover. As simple as it is, we are done. So you can put it on and see, you can see the reflection over here in this place. Just see another one. It is off. You can see the reflection is on. So yeah, that's how you change your faulty switches.